flash flood warning for Marshall County, Indiana, West Central Kosciuszko County, Indiana, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms continuing to produce very heavy rainfall across the warning area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Showers and thunderstorms will continue through 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and may produce an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain. Flash flooding is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Plymouth, Bourbon, Argos, Culver, Mentone, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Etna Green, Brickett, Inwood, Hoffman Lake, Atwood, Old Tiptown, Hibbard, Maxinkuckee, Donaldson, Bar Oak, Twin Lakes, and Rutland. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Kosciuszko, and Marshall. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, northern LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, Branch County in southwestern Michigan, St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, eastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Schoolcraft to near Middlebury, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Sturgis, Coldwater, Three Rivers, Middlebury, Bronson, Constantine, Quincy, Bristol, Union City, White Pigeon, Centerville, Marcellus, Colon, Nottawa, Girard, Scott, Flowerfield, Kinderhook, Fawn River, and Mottville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 98 and 132. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Elkhart and LaGrange, and the following counties in Michigan, Branch, Cass, and St. Joseph. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until